We'll begin the lecture after everyone. Seated. A. Has. B. Is. C. Are. Sophie is. Only child in her family. A. B. N. C. The. I've always. You're cooking. A. Likes. B. Liked. C. Like. Can you pass me? Salt, please. A. B. N. C. The. Please no phones. My table while eating. A. In. B. On. C. At. He always. Tea in the morning. A. Drank. B. Drink. C. Drinks. Following are the antonyms of zemblanity except A. Blemishes. B. Fluke. C. Serendipity. She is. University professor. A. B. N. C. The. Choose the correct spelling from the following. Raj bought. Umbrella before it rained. A. B. N. C. The. He is interested. Learning new languages. A. In. B. On. C. At. Identify the correct sentence. A. I am used to wake up early. B. I am used to waking up early. C. I used to waking up early. We. A new house last summer. A. Build. B. Built. C. Builded. I saw. Owl in the tree. A. B. N. C. The. Ryan. The door just as I arrived. A. Opened. B. Open. C. Opening. Identify the correct sentence. A. The dog chased quick the ball. B. Quickly the dog chased the ball. C. The dog quickly chased the ball. She has the medicine already. A. Took. B. Taked. C. Taken. U. Not touch that painting, it's very delicate. A. Should. B. Must. C. Might. Choose the correct spelling from the following. He. To the library yesterday afternoon. A. Goes. B. Has gone. C. Went. She is talking. Her friend. A. To. B. At. C. With. Following are the synonyms of elated except. A. Thrilled. B. Devastated. C. Animated. Offer is valid. June. A. For. B. To. C. Till. Identify the correct sentence. A. Never I have seen such a view. B. I never have seen such a view. C. I have never seen such a view. Choose the correct spelling from the following. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment your score, share, and subscribe.